In 1991, a terrified young man escaped from an apartment in Milwaukee. What police found inside defied imagination. Human skulls in the refrigerator, bodies dissolved in acid, and photographs of dismembered corpses. Jeffrey Dahmer had murdered 17 young men, some of whose remains he cannibalized. Dahmer is a textbook case of necrophilic and cannibalistic paraphilias. Unlike many serial killers, he was not focused on the hunt or the act of killing itself, but on possession. He wanted companions who could never leave him. His crimes were a twisted attempt to overcome his crushing loneliness. Forensic psychiatry classifies Dahmer's behavior as a severe personality disorder with psychotic features. In interviews, he described an overwhelming need for control and closeness. He drugged his victims, drilled holes in their skulls, and injected acid, grotesque attempts to create a zombie-like state. Most disturbing, Dahmer was aware that his behavior was abnormal. He struggled against his compulsions at times, but never sought professional help. This raises questions about the nature of compulsion versus conscious choice in violent crimes. Dahmer's brain was examined after his death in 1994, but showed no obvious abnormalities. His case highlights the limits of neurological explanations. Some monsters are not shaped by brain damage, but by a fatal combination of psychological disorder, isolation, and unchecked fantasies.